Shadyside is a familiar stop for most Pittsburghers. Walnut Street is lined with upscale boutiques, quaint dining, and the infamous Pamela's Diner. With no shortage of landmark buildings and homes of distinction, Shadyside is also a choice neighborhood to reside in. Surrounded by top-tiered universities and globally renowned hospitals, its residential streets are a diverse mix of Victorian mansions, condominiums, and student housing. Penny and Kirk had been looking to buy a home that they would be able to pass down for generations. Coming from row house living on the Mexican War streets, they were looking to settle in an area with a little more breathing room. When they walked into the 7,500 square foot Shadyside mansion, they knew they had found their future home. The couple decided to begin their first renovation with the antiquated kitchen. They called Laura Reed Riggin of Premier Home Design Center to help them come up with a design plan. "We started the project off by talking about their love of color, and we went from there," explains Riggin. Wanting to maintain some traditional elements while incorporating unusual shades in the room, they struck a chord between tradition and funky. For the cabinetry, they chose onyx, cardinal, and mushroom as the color scheme. The onyx cabinets are cherry wood, and the other two are both maple. As explained by the designer, the onyx is a black painted finish with an artistic over-sanding technique that's applied to the accent and raised areas and creates the vintage look of fine furniture. The maple cabinets were painted and then glazed over. The original kitchen consisted of two smaller rooms, which were opened up to create the new large space. The new plan would have to carefully work around old windows, doorways, a butler's pantry, and a back staircase. Everything is new except for the oven hood, which is original to the kitchen. The backsplash behind the stove was constructed of rectangular pieces of marble to look like a brick wall. Kirk laid out the tiles himself and put them in place with an adhesive bond. He interlaced small brass diamond pieces and a strip of stainless steel to tie it in with the overall scheme. Cambria quartz countertops were chosen because of their natural look. Floors are made of cork, which is soft and easy on the feet. Cork is a little more forgiving, and that was good because we were combining two rooms, explains the designer. It is also a very durable material that is softer than ceramic tile and has a long lifespan. Kirk came up with the idea to build a giant-sized chalkboard on one of the walls. He applied black chalkboard paint and then framed it with strips of trim. For a finishing touch, he beveled out one of the pieces to serve as a ledge for the chalk. The kitchen is a beautiful blend of funky and chic and is a place where the whole family loves to hang out. The kids can sit and color while someone is drinking coffee or cooking at the island, says the owner. Penny and Kirk are thrilled with their new kitchen and can now start thinking about the next room to decorate. With 7 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, they will have no shortage of projects.